Namaste students. In this session we are going to study about the states of matter. So the learning objective is students will be able to classify the pictures as solid, liquid and gases. Students' goal: know what is a matter and know the three states of matter and their properties. Know how to classify the items as solid, liquid and gases. What is a matter? The basic definition of matter is anything that takes up the space. So there are three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gases. So here is the mind map for matter. So that is, it has three states: solid, liquid and gases, and it is identified by their chemical and physical properties. Every matter undergo chemical change and physical change, and all these matter has definite mass and volume. The next one is, based on the three properties, the matters are classified into solid, liquid and gas. The properties are shape, mass and volume. So what is a solid? The solid is the simplest state of matter and it has three main properties. The first one is, it has definite shape, definite mass and definite volume. So here are some examples of solid which has definite shape, volume and mass. So examples are table, phone, weight, ice cubes, shoe. So these are the examples of solid. The next one is liquid. So liquid is the most fluid and ever changing state of matter. So it keeps on changing the shape. So it takes up the shape of the container. So the properties of liquid are, it do not have definite shape, it has definite mass and definite volume. So in this picture, as I said before, liquid takes up the shape of the container. So the funny fact is, cats are liquids. So why the cats are called liquid means, the cat will take up the shape of the container. So it has constant volume and mass and the shape will be of the container. So that's why cats are liquids. What is a gas? So gas is a most complex and difficult to understand the state of matter. So because why it is so complex and difficult means, it has no definite shape, no definite mass and no definite volume. So it will take the shape of the object and the mass and volume is also not definite. So see here, solid are tightly packed, liquids loosely packed and gas, they are very loosely packed. So solid, a state of matter where the particles only vibrate and cannot move from their position. So solid matters cannot move from their position, they can vibrate. Liquid, the state of matter where the particles move enough to slide past each other. So they cannot move very fast, they will be moving very slightly. The last one is gases. So the state of matter where the particles bounce freely and rapidly. So in gaseous state, the movement of particle is very fast. So here is a review of the solid, liquid and gas. So definite shape. Solid has definite shape. Liquid and gas do not have. Then mass. Solid have definite mass. Liquid also has definite mass and gas also have definite mass. Next one is the volume. So the volume, solid and liquid has volume whereas the gases do not have. So here are some pictures. So listen, can you able to classify these pictures as solid, liquid and gas? So here is the empty bottle, glass bowl, stream, vinegar and chocolates, milk. So can you able to classify these pictures under solid, liquid and gas? So it will be a small worksheet for you to prepare. So now the key points. So through this session what we have learned, just we can recall. So key points are, matter is anything that has mass and takes up the space. Three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. Solid has definite shape, mass and volume. Liquid has definite mass and volume but no shape. Gases do not have definite mass, volume and shape.